Okay. We are gonna do a little test here. We have a nice little Claude and ChatGPT support system. But what we're doing is adding kind of a notification here of what recent trade it was. So we have all this data. Now we're just gonna let you know what trade happened. Boom, bada boom. So we'll see how she executes. And this is I triple checked with both boys. This prompt should be good. It's so funny. These guys are like, oh yeah, one more. We'll add one more to it. And the other guys are like, let me impress you. We'll add this. I'm like, all right, guys, I just want not overboard, but this is what we got. Modify existing perfect swap engine panel on the blueprints page. Do not redesign current layout. Yada yada. Add a execution module that displays most recent perfect swaps executed by the engine. So the goal is over here. We got some mock-ups. We do got some mock-ups, but like this. But I mean, shit. This is what I'm thinking about doing this, but this is what Claude busted out. But I mean, it is pretty cool. We'll see what happens. We can always figure it later. Okay, let's rock and roll. It's thinking. Dude, Mac is lagging. I must be running a lot of stuff. Can't hang. Time to upgrade. Oh, what in the hell? Implementing last execution display integration. Yo, that's funny. Okay, we'll see how she's rocking. Oh, shit. Interesting, because there was an execution. Okay! Bingo! That's kind of cool. Hell yeah, now we have the speed of the system and what the system's giving the information to us. Dude, check out this stats panel. Solid! Hell yeah, broskies. Hell yeah. Alright, my little update, and I'm going to sleep. It's 6:30. Oh boy.